Hello my friends, my name is Mohammed Naveed and in this lecture I am going to teach you should or ought to. In order to learn should or ought to, we need to see the usage of should and ought to. So let's see the usage. So the usage is here for advice. For advice. Now you see the structure of should or ought to. So the structure is here. Now see the examples. So examples are, the first example is you should or ought to learn computer. You should or ought to learn computer. Definitely here we are giving advice. Here we are giving advice. So why do we use should or ought to? Definitely for advice. Second example is you should or ought to learn English. This is also advice. We should or ought to get education. This is also advice. I should or ought to respect others. So definitely why do we use should or ought to? Definitely for advice. And definitely if you say should, or if you use should or ought to, definitely they both are same. Getting me? So you can use one of them. Now let's see the structure of should or ought to. So the structure is here: subject plus should plus first form verb plus object. Here we have subject. Subject means doer. Here we have you, we, I, means who is doing. Getting me? The subject is here. Then definitely we have should or ought to. Then definitely we will use first form verb. You know how many forms of verb, how many kinds of verb do we have? We have fourth form, first form, we have second form, third form and fourth form. Here we are using first form verb, and this is learn, get and respect. And what is mean by verb? A word which is used to indicate the act is called verb. For example, here we are saying learn. Definitely is also act. Definitely this word is also showing act. Get is also showing. You can say act. This word is also showing act. So definitely, if I say here eat, or if I say here sit, if I say here dance, if I say here you can say walk or run. So these all words are defining what? These all words are defining act. So any word which define act is called verb. Then we have object. Object, definitely object is very important. For example, if I say here you should or ought to learn, if I don't use, you can say computer, so you will not get the meaning of this sentence. So object tells the meaning of the sentence. Here we have that English, here we have education, here we have other. So definitely these all are what? These all are object. So this was lecture on should or ought to. I hope you have understood. For more videos, lecture and exercises, come to my website www.naveedplace.com. Allah fi amanillah, and I will meet you in the next lecture. Till then, Allah Hafiz.